Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And in this episode, your helmet doesn't have to stink. I just got back from a 3,000 mile road trip. It's been about 10 days with this sucker on my noggin. And it's been about a week since I put it on. And I put it on today to go for a ride. Bad news bears. It's like I stuck my head in a gym locker. So we're going to go about taking it apart to clean out the bits that can be cleaned. Then I'm going to clean the shell, make sure it's all good. Some of the things that we're going to use, I'm going to use some disinfectant at the end just to make sure I get all the funk out. Glass cleaner, a little bleach. You never know if you want to kill something good. And since they're leather bits in the helmet, I'm going to go ahead and use a little saddle soap to clean it up. And to clean the main bits, I'm going to use some of this Baby Don't Cry shampoo. Why? Two reasons. It smells good, and number two, it's gentle. Guys, follow your manufacturer suggested procedures for cleaning your helmet. This one has provisions to pull everything out. If yours does, that works pretty good. And this is a Bell helmet, and it says hand wash only, so we're going to hand wash it only. So I'm going to pop out the ear holes, then I'll pop out the big guys, and thankfully this is not smell-o-vision because it is stanky. I'm going to put these suckers in here. Let me know down below how you clean your helmet. We're going to let those soak, and we'll get back to it in a little while. I'm going to start with some glass cleaner, just wiping out the outside. Yeah, how often do you clean your helmet? Let me know in the comments down below. It depends on where you live, right? Because some places would get kind of funky, you can imagine. Or you may live in a no helmet state where you don't even have to worry about it. Although I kind of like my noggin, so whether I had to wear it or not, I think I'd still wear it. Plus, I don't like bugs in my face. I mean, let me know. Do you guys wear a helmet? If you don't, how do you deal with the bugs that hit you in the face? And I live in South Louisiana. The bugs are big here. So you may live in a place that you got little baby bugs, so maybe you're not going to be so worried about it, but they grow them big around here. The other parts that really need to be cleaned are these straps right here, because they've got soft sides on them here, and that's right up against your face. I wore this helmet 10 hours a day for 10 days, so it needs to be cleaned. So again, some of the spray away, just come trying to, I just want to soak these, and now I'm just going to go wipe through this. Okay, so here I'm using this all-purpose cleaner with bleach. I'm going to spray it directly onto the rag, and then I'm just going to wipe in to the hard surfaces. Guys, I'm not a neat freak or anything like that, or a germaphobe, but this thing stinks. Okay, just rinsed my rag really good. Just coming in here really good and just wiping everything down. We got the outside clean, we got the inside just nice and wiped down with both the spray away, glass cleaner, and then the all-purpose cleaner with bleach. Just trying to disinfect it, guys, that's all I'm trying to do. Let's check on the pads. Okay guys, we got some funky water in here. I'm trying to tell myself it's some of the color coming off onto here. It's not, that's all not just some of my soup. We're gonna let the water out, we're gonna do it one more time. So it doesn't smell like anything, which is what it should smell like. So when you put it on, just keep that in mind. I am going to hose it out with a little bit, although I'm going to check to see what this, I was going to use some of this disinfectant, but it's got this morning meadow scent, and I'm going to go ahead and skip it. I'm going to skip the morning meadow scent. Okay guys, let me show you what I have. I got this fan, got it on the helmet on the ground right in front of it, got the dog gate up with the earmuffs and the top hanging from it, and then we're just going to leave it there overnight. Okay guys, here we are the next morning. Look at how clean this guy looks. These guys look super good, and the best thing is they don't stink. Same thing within here, everything is good. The only thing I'm going to do now, before I snap all those in, I'm just going to clean this, all the leather bits up with the leather conditioner. And we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Just a little bit of this. I'm just going to go all the way around. There we go guys. Basically our brand new helmet, super clean, does not stink anymore, looks way better. Helmet looks good, smells good. We're going to let it air out, we're going to let it sit in the sun, and then we'll all be good. So guys, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And remember, they don't have to stink. GoPro, stop recording.